let's do a bit of code cleaning as we discussed previously. So this discard character key should be added at the last of the after this case statement. We will discard it and we will delete it by clicking Ctrl Y. Similarly this. Even after this clarity, it seems even this whole is character not allowed is unnecessary, because we have already defined the things we will respond, and for other we don't need this character. So that's the power of clarity and code cleaning, that you can spot updates and changes more easily. Let us see if we remove this whole thing, what happens. Our code should work fine. 78 plus 3, 81. So now that in that case, all these allowed characters thing, these can be unnecessary. Is character not allowed, we can remove it, and discard character is okay. And we can add a procedure to clear screen, and let us see how we can do that. Let us add a procedure. Control J for procedure, clear screen, and its input will be a screen. Edit, and what we will do, okay, we will clear screen. Now let us see where we can use. Whenever we assign this, we can use clear screen. This is not, yeah, here we can use clear screen. Edit is screen. Let us copy it. I think we need it again. Here. Clear the screen, that's it. Okay. Now, and this is, I think this comment is now a bit unnecessary, because it's obvious that we are saving second number in memory. This clear the screen is definitely unnecessary. Note down the first number, that's not unnecessary. Note down the math operation, unnecessary. And if edit.text is equal to 0, if the screen is a default text 0, then replace it with. So I think all these texts can be now removed, because our code is much cleaner and we can understand it easily here. Now this is this is edt screen.text is equal to blank, and we say if screen is empty then change it. We can remove it and do as a procedure, but still we can leave it as it is. But still on code base we can remove it, reduce the screen text. We can define a procedure here. If screen text is equal to 0, similarly all this text can be gone. Similarly we can remove this allowed characters. Similarly we can remove these digits and operations, and of course null character and enter key and dot we are using it. And similarly is character not allowed, this can be deleted. Let us see if everything is running fine. 78 plus 12 is equal to 90, multiplied 3 is equal to 270. 12 plus 9 is equal to 21. 21.3 multiplied by 2, 42.6. So everything is working fine. We can optimize it more. For example, if we divided it by 0, it will have a math operation problem. Of course, no one can be divide floating point division by 0. We can handle this or leave it as it is for now, but let us see how much cleanup we can do anymore. For edit box we name it edt screen, and it's okay, but because edt screen is used a lot, so we may need to rename it to escreen instead of edt screen. All this here we can have escreen, and it will improve our readability more, but still it is less than 90 lines of code to handle basic math operations in calculator. And even we can remove this comment and these blank lines. So that's all for now. I think it's okay for now. I hope you learned something, and let us meet in another video. Please do share, like and subscribe to motivate me to create more. Thanks. Have a great time. Bye.